Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a little walk through my inspiration shelf, and this is where I have a bunch of SVG files that I've created and a bunch of happy mail that you guys have sent me. So I thought it'd be fun to just film a quick little video just showing you guys what it looks like. This is right above my desk. And yeah, so I want to show you guys all these beautiful little projects, how they look displayed and how I have them at the moment. So we're going to walk a little closer. Sorry if it's shaky, but this is what the first shelf looks like. And there's just tons of crafty projects that have been sent to me. This was sent to me by Flower Craft Girl. I made the one in the back because she had sent me a kit to make my own. Those little kites, I made them myself. I made the phone. That little shaker back there was sent to me by Michelle. I made these cute little Splendor crates and berry basket. This is a project I made for Paige Evans. That cupcake was sent to me by Miss Ivy Lee. My typewriter, you guys know I love my typewriter. I need to make another one like ASAP. That's a layered flower that I made as well. These cute little books. I have, let me see if I can move this back here. Some cute little bags. So if I make like some SVG projects, usually that I don't send those away, those are the ones that I have also displayed down here. I have some here that were sent to me. Little embellishment book sent to me by Handmade by Xoxo. My traveling book. That L was sent to me by Miss Lizzie. That piñata, I think Nikki sent that to me. And then I have some headphones here. And then up here, I have the book that Mommy and Me Crafts Patty sent me. The cute little wooden veneer boxes that Buzzing with Bee sent me. That little camera, Daisy Lou Designs sent it to me. That was sent to me in my giveaway. I have these 2 jars filled with embellishments. Look, you guys, that cute little shaker. That was sent to me by, I think, Miss Liz as well, I think. And then that you guys saw in a video that was sent to me for my challenge as well. Thank you guys, so many pretties. I just got that embellishment book from Sweet Crafty Girl. I even have, I think it's tucked away back here, but you guys, when I first started crafting, that book right there, Ada sent that to me. That's the Paper Treasury. I am obsessed. I love that book so much. I'm so happy she sent it to me. She had a video on it, and that was how I found her. And I couldn't believe she still had it when we spoke, and she sent it to me. But yeah, you guys, this is my little wall of inspiration, and it makes me get super crafty when I look at it. And let me know down below what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.